Hey guys, welcome back to what is now part 3, but actually I'm just gonna edit them together because I know you guys like long videos. Gosh, this is gonna be a 30-minute video. Sapling, did I get it? Speaking of saplings, one more. Some people are in the comment section probably screaming, "No, you don't get saplings from breaking leaves." If I'm being honest, you're wrong, I just got 2. Maybe I should just break the leaves from that one. Not leave them to... Why? Why, cruel world? I don't need a... Hang on, why was I wasting my pick? If I get more trees, I can have infinite sources of wood. No, don't despawn, stop despawning. If I've missed anything, then I'm a failure. I can't see a thing today. Oh, nearly missed them. Oh, there's still leaves. Can I still reach? Yeah. Flames would work really well. Gosh, I need to find some sheep. I can't really mine for iron because mobs will be spawning. If only Miner's Dream was in this, it'd be so nice. Alright then, how many saplings do I have? And how many trees did I leave floating? Left this one floating. Oh, nearly lost that sapling. Apple. Useful. How many do I have? 14. That'll be enough for now. Chicken, I need your food. I need you for food. Cow. I like chicken though, because I'm black, so yeah. KFC, winning my heart. Hey little chicken. Yum yum. And poulet. If you don't know what that is, that's French for chicken. If my French teacher is watching this, I probably butchered the pronunciation. Please forgive me, don't give me a detention, so yeah. Oh, leather, nice. Everything is useful. Ah, pig, finally. And chicken. Skelly, I need your bones. Hey buddy, I need your bones. Give me your bones, child. Thank you, child. Where'd the piggy go? Piggy? Reuben? Gosh, this is a survival series and I'm already failing. If you want this to be a survival series, comment at the end of this video. Oh, he ain't scared of me, that's good. Die, Reuben. Gosh, there we go, get some pork. Right then, I'm gonna head back and make some furnaces. And I'll see you when I get there. If only there's an easy way to... Hey, my tree's grown. Yeah, oh, is that an apple? Yeah, I don't want to waste my sword as well. In fact, yeah, I'm gonna have to build my shelter. Haven't got time for this. Did I place down my crafting table? No, I didn't. Well, let's do this. Let's make planks. Get as many as I can. Got 1 stack. Get some of those for interior decor. Pop that there. Pop that there. Right then. First things first, eat the apple. Not break the ground with it. As I said guys, still getting used to this. Now to finish off my base, and I don't have an axe, so this is going to be very inconvenient, but I shouldn't need to leave. And guys, I was wrong when I said the mobs wouldn't spawn. Ah, that's a good idea. Place that. Then I can place that and that. So like when I want to leave, I can be like. So now I can go like this, and then like this. So what I need is a 2 area. This is just very temporary. As I said, it's temporary. Gosh, I really need an axe if I'm to be doing this. You know what? Screw it, I'll make one. First I make some sticks. Gonna need a few of them. Okay, so now I make a stone sword, stone axe, stone pick, stone shovel, another stone sword, and can I make a furnace? No, I can't yet. Is it because I haven't got enough stone? Let's try something. Yeah, I don't have enough stone. I'll be back in a sec. I'll just use it. Oh, that's not good. Use up my wooden pick. It's not like I need it at the moment. Because what I don't want is mobs spawning down here. 9. Yeah, that should be enough. Make furnace. Now I can finally cook. And before you guys say, what is she doing? What is she doing? Oh gosh, can I still access it? Yeah, I can. Good. Just stick these in here. Stick in the chicken. Then the raw pork chop. Gosh, the tape's coming loose. Recording nearly done again. Gosh, this is going to be a long video. You know, I may just split this into 3 parts. Anyway, so guys, if you want me to do more, then just let me know in the comment section down below or at school. And then yeah, well, I'd love to do more of this, so if you want me to do survival series, I will. And I need my axe out here since, yeah. And I'll get back to that in a sec. Now then, I guess it's time. Was that Skelly? Oh gosh. Yep, that's what I didn't want. Brace for impact. Wait a minute, bro. Just block myself in. Wouldn't mind if spider came in, because believe it or not, I'm kind of hoping for one. Thing is, what I was trying to do over here was like, oh no, I have no way of getting back in. Oh gosh, I'm nearly dead. Shh, just they won't know I'm here. Get rid of these arrows.